How to make personal account opening letter with the bank. First, we will go to desktop, right-click on it and open Word file. Now you can see Word blank document is open. Then you will go in Page Layout and set Page Setup. Every letterhead page top gap has 1.75 inches from the top for the typing. Now we will put a reference. Where are you making this letter for your reminder? When you forget where did you make this letter, you can find with the reference number where you was made this letter. I am giving my own reference for my remember. After reference, you will need date on the opposite side of reference number. Here you can manage dates in two different types. If you are typing date in numbers only, you may need to type word date before the numeric date. If you are typing date like January 1st, 2023, you do not need to type a date word. Now you have to press enter and put a proper distance with reference and date. Now type a name with presentation to whom you are addressing for account opening. He also be an account opening manager, or he may also be a branch. Type 2, the account opening manager, or the manager, bank name with a branch name, then city name dash a country name. And the end city and a country name you will need to underline it cause addressing is over. Now we will start letter with subject. Through the subject, reader immediately knows what is your letter is about, or what are you wishing to tell them or asking them in proper ways. It's make letter in a formal presentation. You can write subject in two different types. 1. Account opening letter. 2. Letter for account opening. Underline subject row. Again, you will need proper gap between letters subject and letters superscription or salutation. In account opening, we actually does not need superscription or salutation. You can write a letter with your content. Because you are opening bank account through the company. This letter will be acceptable only on business letterhead of a company you have owned. Now you have to introduce yourself with your government identity card number, with your company introduction or name to be written on a letterhead. That's a mostly requirement for the bank account opening. Letter content invoice. ISO Multi-Products, sole proprietor of SO Multi-Products Holding CNIC, hashtag 4210112312234-5. Want to open bank account with your bank branch. Thanking you. Your faithfully. For SO Multi-Products. This letter is completely simple presented. If you need more advanced letters, it will be uploaded soon. If you can bold special words available in your letter like your CNIC number, a company you owned. It's make your letter quite beautiful and formal. If you need better presentation letters, you can directly contact SO Multi-Product.